Additionally, the supervised connection is possible for Russian
Double yellow line, no pass zone, and he still goes for it. Truck coming straight at him. Now it's survival mode. One hard swerve, and disaster barely misses. Then you clock into work, like nothing happened. 70. In a slow zone, no brake. No hesitation, that isn't confidence, that's denial with a foot on the gas. When you treat speed limits like suggestions, you invite chaos.
Classic rear-end crash. The car in front stops. The one behind wasn't paying attention.
Deadman Pass in Oregon, and the name says it all, icy downhill, zero traction. The truck loses control and jackknifes fast. No overreaction, no panic, just a clean evasive move. This is why mountain passes demand respect. Nissan Altima comes out of nowhere. No brake, no signal, just chaos. That's not a near miss, that's absurd driving. Here's the commute, then this driver decides he owns the road, no signal. No gap, just confidence in a space that doesn't exist. This isn't clever driving, this is chaos dressed up as timing. Just a normal drive, until someone forces them out of the lane. No signal. No space. Just ego. That's how crashes start. Defensive driving saved them, because not everyone on the road is thinking.
When he was comfortable, I fight my roller bag free from the overhead bin and push it along with pain, sweat gathering in my armpits beneath my legs.
Terrible
Buddy,
move on the
what
road,
fuck?
and now he's stepping out. You almost cause a crash,
Oh
and still
my God.
think you're the hero. That's not confidence, that's fragile ego on four wheels.
Hours had been condensed into a minute or two. I was bouncing up and down in my very smallest seat, eager to get
I wasn't.
But now it's like time is making up for the ballooning it did.
I don't know if it's selfish or stupid that leads you to throw a bunch of boxes in the bed
Pat,
of the,
Pat, that ain't going nowhere, huh? That's what people say right before it absolutely does. Confidence level, expert, engineering level, questionable. Sometimes faith isn't a safety feature. Here's your classic winter logic. Long, steep Vermont hill, 2WD, no traction, and zero plan. Good luck getting up that. That's not power, that's physics having the last laugh. One small move, and this could have been way worse. If they were just a few feet further forward, that's a full impact. Sometimes it's not skill, it's inches, and pure luck. Today, luck showed up. This isn't a smart spot for a U-turn on a twisty, 90 zone. Pulling that move blocks sight lines and risks a head-on. And trying to pass it like that? That's twice the chaos. Way to be, it's safer.